Benefits of chocolate. Today's video about the amazing health benefits of chocolate. That's right, chocolate. The rich, creamy, and indulgent treat that we all know and love can actually be considered a superfood. But before we dive into all the reasons why chocolate is so good for you, let's clarify one thing. Not all chocolate is created equal. The health benefits of chocolate come from the cocoa solids that are found in chocolate, not from the added sugar and fat that often accompany it. So, to get the most out of chocolate's superpowers, it's important to choose chocolate that is high in cocoa solids and low in added sugars. Now let's get to the good stuff. One of the main reasons why chocolate is considered a superfood is its high levels of antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to inflammation and the development of chronic diseases. In fact, cocoa has been shown to have higher levels of antioxidants than many other commonly consumed plant-based foods, including blueberries, red wine, and green tea. But chocolate's health benefits don't stop there. It's also a good source of several essential nutrients, including iron, magnesium, and zinc. These nutrients play important roles in maintaining overall health, from supporting a healthy immune system to helping regulate metabolism and energy production. And if that wasn't enough, some research has suggested that consuming chocolate in moderation may have heart health benefits. Studies have found that chocolate can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. So, the next time you reach for a chocolate bar, know that you're not just indulging in a tasty treat, you're also giving your body a boost of nutrients and antioxidants. So, there you have it. Chocolate is more than just a guilty pleasure. When consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet, it can be a nutritious and delicious addition to your daily routine. So go ahead and treat yourself to a little bit of chocolate. Your body will thank you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy living tips and tricks.